There is a common misconception that if you want to make a lot of money online, then you need a lot of followers. Are you a content marketer, or do you have a business brand that is online or trying to make your social media presence known? Well, welcome to the 25 days of Funnelmas. So whether or not you celebrate Christmas, you may as well get some of the benefits from it, because this is what we're doing on this channel every day. Leading up to Christmas, I am going to release some tip, trick, or hack that is going to make or break your online business in 2025. So without further ado, happy Funnelmas, and let's dive right in. Now, most recently, Gary Vee was the one that I was listening to, who was really outlining that before, the way the algorithms work is the account with the most followers would get the most promotion. But now the most promotion goes to the best piece of content. So that's why you hear stories about people who have accounts with very little to no followers, but they go viral because due to the shares, likes, comments, the engagement. So each piece of content is promoted off of a validation basis and not off of an account clout. And just to drive this point home, I wanted to include a clip from Alex Hormozi, who outlines this exact fact, because there is an account that he works with where she has 5,000 followers but is making $1 million a year. So if you think that you need a lot of followers to make a huge revenue impact on your business, then don't just take it from me. Listen to the man, the myth, the legend, Alex Hormozi himself.
She's a registered dietitian. She takes home just under $1 million a year helping other registered dietitians bill insurance correctly. I was like, hey, let me see your Instagram. She had 5,800 followers. Her average post got 19 likes and like 1 comment. 100% of her acquisition came from her organic Instagram. What is going on? She was like, you know what? I got my first sale when I had 8 people on my email list. The view count you have on the other side, the 19 likes, like there's a real person on the other side of this that is watching your clip that has 5 views. The posts that she talks about, 100% of them are about billing insurance as a registered dietitian. Like, could not be more niche. And despite that, she's making the sales that she is.
I hope that this has completely shattered your limiting beliefs on the fact that you really don't need a ton of followers to make a huge revenue impact in your business. And don't just take it from me. Alex Hormozi, his resume speaks for itself. So I hope you found this valuable, and I'll see you on the next day of Funnelmas. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.